So if you're in the kitchen, you have 1 3/4 cup and you want to cut that in half. Maybe you're scaling a recipe down. Here's the way to do it. So we're taking 1 3/4. We're just going to divide it by 2. And we want to know how much that ends up being. So you can do this the mathematical way, and I'll link to a video where I explain that. But the way I probably think about this in the kitchen is 1 3/4. That's pretty close to 2, so a little less. So half of it should be a little less than 1 cup. So that's a good place to start. So it turns out if you divide 1 3/4 cup in half, you end up with 7/8 of a cup, which you probably don't have in the kitchen. The way I'd do this, I'd take 1 cup and I'd just remove 2 tablespoons. Those are the big ones, right? So 1 cup, you remove the 2 tablespoons, and you will end up with 7/8 of a cup, and that is half of our 1 3/4 cup. So that's how I'd do it. Hope this helped.